Welcome. If you're tired of constant notifications every time Dropbox uploads a photo from your camera, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set your Dropbox camera uploads notifications to silent, so you can enjoy peace without missing important alerts. First, start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is usually the gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps or Applications. Tap on it to see a full list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and select Dropbox from the list of apps. This will open the app info screen where you can manage various settings related to Dropbox. Now, look for the option titled Notifications and tap on it. This will give you control over how the app notifies you. Within the Notifications menu, you will see a list called Notification Categories, or something similar. These categories help manage different types of alerts from the app. Find the one named Camera Uploads and tap on it. This category specifically handles alerts every time Dropbox uploads photos from your camera roll. Now comes the important part. After entering the camera upload settings, you should see options for the notification sound, vibration, and alert style. Choose Silent from the sound options. This will stop Dropbox from making noise or vibrating every time a photo is backed up, but you'll still receive the notifications silently, and that's it. You have successfully muted Dropbox camera uploads notifications without turning off notifications completely. This way, you stay informed, but without the constant interruptions. Feel free to repeat these steps anytime you want to adjust notification settings for other apps or notifications. Thanks for following along.